I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And today I'm going to make a macaroni salad. Now there's two basic ones that I make. One is traditional PA Dutch, like the Amish make, which I really like. It's kind of mustardy. It's really good. Another one is my bacon ranch macaroni salad. I had mentioned that in a previous vid, and a couple people said they would like to see it. So I'm going to show you how I make my bacon ranch macaroni salad. It's really good in the summer for something a little bit different, change it up, and hey, it's got bacon in it. How can you not like that? It uses my ranch dressing mix. I showed you how to do and make your own ranch seasoning if you don't have it on hand in a previous video, and we're going to use that for this. I'll show you what's in it. So all that goes into my bacon ranch macaroni salad is bacon, around half a pound, 6 slices or so. Some people just use mayo. I like to use a mix of mayo and sour cream, heavier on the sour cream. Cheddar cheese, some finely diced carrot, finely diced onion, finely diced pepper, my macaroni, and I like using these colorful spirals. The sauce clings to that better and keep your flavors together. And of course my ranch seasoning mix. Normally you would use about 1 ounce for this. 1 ounce equals about 1/8 of a cup if you've made your own mix like I did. And yes, when you're making your own mix and you're using containers, do label it. If you don't, bad things can happen. That happened to my mom once. Lord love her, she went and made pumpkin pies, but she bought her spices in bulk like I do, and she had put pepper in cinnamon containers. And when she went to add her what she thought was cinnamon to her pumpkin pie, she added pepper. She didn't even realize it. Not until the pies came out. And we all tried a piece of the pie, and we all about died. Even the chickens wouldn't eat it. It was that peppery. It was peppery pumpkin pie. I learned a valuable lesson from that, and I make sure I label my containers when I'm doing this. So, well, I've got the bacon cooking, and my noodles just dropped in, my macaroni. We're going to mix together our sauce. And this is another one of those dishes that is better if you let it sit overnight for the flavors to go all through it. Beautiful bacon footage. So I'm going to mix together my sour cream. And like I said, I like using sour cream. It gives it a little bit more tang to it. Once again, if you're looking to make things less fat, you can go fat-free sour cream or low fat. Same thing with the mayo. Then we're going to add my ranch seasoning mix. Like I said, if you want to see how to make that, it's in another video. I'll include a link at the end. And I'm going to add that. And we're just going to give this a good mix. And this is going to be our sauce for the macaroni salad and the veggies. Oh man, that smells good. And the nice thing about this is, I mean, you can make this to be your way. If you don't like peppers, put in celery. If I have them on hand in the summertime, fresh peas. I love fresh peas in this. Frozen ones are okay, but fresh peas, man, they are the bomb in this salad. I'm just saying. But you can customize it any way you like. If you want your dressing a little stronger, you can go ahead and add a little more. If you don't like it quite as strong, not as much. But that's all it is. And we have our sauce mixed up there. And then all we have to do now is wait for our macaroni to cook and our bacon to cool, and we'll get this all assembled. So my noodles are out and done and cooled. As soon as they come out of the hot water, I hit them with cold water, actually icy water, to get them all chilled down and stop the cooking on the noodles so the noodles don't overcook and get mushy. We're going to crumble the bacon in, and I confess there was some sacrificial bacon involved. I mean, how can you have bacon and not have sacrificial bacon? It'd just be wrong. But I'll try and crumble this up pretty good. And that's going to give it a nice smoky flavor. So once again, use good quality bacon. It makes a difference. Okay. Going to add in our pepper and carrots. And the other thing is, one of the reasons, I like the veggies that I'm adding in, but the other thing too is it gives it nice color, so it makes it visually appealing besides the actual really good flavor. Alright, and my cheese. There we go. And just kind of work that in. I just think that's only a pound. I mean, that's another thing. This is a pretty cheap and easy thing to make. It's great for parties and get-togethers and church dinners and summer picnics. It's never a bad deal. And then I'm going to add my ranch dressing mix. And this just tastes so good. The grooves on that macaroni, on that spiral pasta, holds in that sauce nice. Another reason I like using it. It's colorful, makes it visually appealing, but it's also really nice for the holding in the sauce nice. And then we're just going to give it a mix. Incorporate this all in, and then we're going to stick it in the refrigerator and let her chill down and soak in. Once again, this is always better the next day. It gives the noodles and everything the flavors to meld and soak in and do their thing. See how nice and creamy that looks. And it's with using the sour cream for a little better than half of your creaminess component. It's not as rich as it would be with, and heavy as it would be with mayonnaise. I like mayo, but I don't like using too much of it. It's to me, it's just too heavy sometimes. So that's our bacon ranch macaroni salad. It's assembled. If you want to dress it up and you're taking it somewhere, just sprinkle some more cheese across the top. That certainly is a great way to do it. And we'll let this have time to sit, and then, well, you know what comes next. So it sat overnight. Here it is, all done. You can see it there. And, you know, pasta salad's always good, but, you know, it kind of gets boring. So, who doesn't love bacon? Who doesn't love ranch? And, like I said, you can put other things in it. Sometimes I put, like in the summertime, I put peas in, or whatever, but... This is really good with bacon. And I like the pepper and the cheese. So that's my easy bacon ranch macaroni salad. Not hard to make. Only a few ingredients. You can use my ranch seasoning mix that I showed you how to make in the previous video to do it. Or you can use that with the ranch potatoes. Let's face it, you can use ranch mix and dressing and dip in about anywhere. By the way, if you're curious about it, ranch dip mix, the dry mix, and dressing was actually founded, so to speak, around 1952 down in the South and took off. So, there it is, my easy bacon ranch macaroni salad. Give it a try this summer, or for a potluck or church dinner. It's really easy to make. Take along. Let it sit overnight so it has the flavors go through it. You won't be disappointed. Enjoy! If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.